Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm gonna be doing Redmi Y2 water test. This one is a 3 gigs of RAM with 32 gigs of storage, and there's one more variant with 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage. And it is powered by the Snapdragon 625. On the back, it has a dual camera setup, a 12 megapixel primary camera with f2.2 aperture, plus 5 megapixel secondary camera. So before we get started, a Redmi Y2 giveaway is going on my channel. To participate, all you have to do is like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what's the best thing you like about this phone. I will randomly pick the winner and announce the winner on 4th July on my social media. So make sure you follow me on social media. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Now let's put this phone in. Now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. I'm leaving this Redmi Y2 in the water for 1 minute. The Redmi Y2 is not a water resistant phone. Let's see if the Redmi Y2 can survive in the water. And as you can see, the phone is not responding to the touches in the water. It shows the headphone is connected because the water went inside the headphone jack. Now let's flip this phone. Flip it back again, and the display is still on. Now let's take out this phone. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean the water and let's see if the phone still works. And as you can see, the phone is fully working, and also the phone is now very responsive to the touches. But the water went inside the headphone jack, and also in the speaker and microphone. The front camera is working without any problem. The back camera looks perfectly fine, and the water didn't went inside the camera. Now let's check the camera. The camera is fully working and it still takes great photos with good details and contrast. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm gonna be doing Realme Y2 water test. This phone is powered by MediaTek. The speaker is also working without any issues. The fingerprint sensor is adding my fingerprint. That means it's working, and it unlocks the phone as soon as I put my finger on it. And also the face unlock is working. So yeah, the Redmi Y2 survived my water test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.